Hello everyone, this is Daria from Kaya Academy and welcome to my channel, welcome to my video. So before starting the video, I would like to, as you can see, this is my Twitter profile. You can go and follow me there as well. And first of all, I'd like to tell you why I have this channel and what I'm doing with my channel. So as you guys might have realized that what I'm trying to do is I'm studying in Yıldız Technical University in Istanbul, Turkey, and what I study, my department is communication design. And yes, we do maybe the name is not very familiar, but we do interaction designing and all those kind of things. We do posters, like anything visual or has related to the technology is our business. Yeah. And so I said I should start from the scratch, actually, start from the bottom. So one day I can say we started from the bottom, now we're here. Yeah. So we can do that. So what I'm doing with my channel is this. The first of all, at least for now, my content is about Twitter, Instagram, like any type of social media platform that might come to your mind and people might need help with. For example, creating an account or maybe deleting something from there or finding a user. They might you might not be very familiar with the new app, or you might be familiar how to use that app on your phone, but when it comes to your computer it is not that easy, because the interface is changing. Yes, interface is also my job, kinda. So that's how I can summarize what I'm doing. I'm trying to help people to, it might those things that I'm actually showing here might look so easy, but sometimes we might be passing some steps, we might be forgetting to do some steps. So, and at the and we don't receive what we don't get to the goal why we started. For example, you want to report a tweet and you think you've done it, but sometimes it's not happening the way you want it. So that's why I'm here to show you how to do those things. And even if you don't know, it's still cool. It's better to learn if you don't know. So you can keep just watching my videos and you will learn a lot. So in today, what I'm going to show you guys is how to make your Twitter account private. By the way, this is my profile. You can follow me there. I told you that before, I guess, but just reminding. So, how to make your Twitter account private using your computer. Actually, this process is now very different while doing it in your mobile or your computer. So, it's almost the same, but today we're going to show how to do it on your computer, and let's get to it. So when you send a tweet using the default settings of your Twitter account, you post it to the world. When you want the tweets you send to reach your followers only, you will have to follow some steps that I'm gonna show you today to hide your Twitter account. And in this video, I'm gonna be talking about how to hide your Twitter account, and I definitely recommend you take a look at the rest of this video so you can know how to do it. And let's get to it. By default, when you tweet something, you're actually broadcasting it to the world. You could make a bad joke to your 170 followers, get on a plane, and by the time you land, found out your tweet went viral, and now you're out of job. That's literally what happened to Justin Sacco. I think you should go and check that out. So whatever you say on Twitter is actually in the public record. That is, unless you make your Twitter account private. On Twitter, tweets are either public or protected. And public tweets can be seen by everyone. I'm saying everyone. But protected tweets can only be seen by that person's followers, and actually they cannot even be retweeted. So if you change your account from public to protected, all your previous tweets become protected too. You might think like, but when I tweeted this thing, it was my profile was not protected. It doesn't matter, it's still gonna get locked down. As you can see, I have this lock right here. That actually means that my account is private. So I am protecting my tweets. So today I'm gonna show you how to protect your tweets. If you don't want to end up like Justin Sacco, maybe you should keep watching this video. So of course what we're gonna do first, we're gonna log into our Twitter, and when you're gonna write twitter.com right down there, and when you're gonna get home most probably, and then from there we're gonna click more. And from here we have this settings and privacy right here. We're gonna click on that. And here we're gonna you see account, privacy and safety. We're gonna go with the second choice, which is privacy and safety. As you can see, what you're going to do is just making this blue tick appear. As I told you before, that I already have my Twitter protected. So let's assume if yours is by default settings the same as you have opened your Twitter, it's gonna be looking like this, empty box. So if you want to protect it, what you're gonna do is very simple. You're just gonna click on this, and Twitter is gonna ask you want to protect your tweets. This will make them visible only to your Twitter followers, which I have like 38 followers by this time. I'm okay, I don't tweet that much often, so I'm gonna say protect. Yeah. And when you do this, what happens is now your account is private. As I'm gonna show you one quick thing. You see, when this box is empty, there's no lock around here. When I check it in, the lock comes in. So yeah, it works automatically and very quickly. So now my account is not private, even it was private in the beginning, but just showed you guys how to do it. And since you have done it right, now your tweets are now being broadcasted to the world. So when you make a bad joke, most probably the chances for you to go viral is very low, because the only way that can happen, because your tweets cannot be retweeted, and at this point, yes, they can be liked, but for them to go get viral, they should be retweeted. So the another thing this is protecting your Twitter adds to the table is this. Now, if someone wants to follow you, they have to send you a follow request. Yeah. So how the main reason for that is when you're not protecting your tweet, when your Twitter is just open and doesn't have this lock on it, it's like everyone can follow you, everyone, and you cannot even remove anyone. But like this, with a private account, new people will not be able to follow you until you approve their follow request. They will have to send you a follow request, and when that happens, you will get a notifications. You will get a notification, and if you approve it, if you say okay, I can accept this, and then they can follow you. So that's pretty it. If you guys have any questions, I just got back to my profile. If you guys have any questions about this video, or related to Twitter, or related to any other social media platforms, you can ask me in the comments. I'll be down there trying to answer your questions one by one. And also, at the same time, if you have any suggestions, I'm open to suggestions, as I'm open to criticism. You can also let me know on the comments that you make, so when I'm down there trying to read your questions and trying to answer them, I can also read your suggestions, and I'll be like, okay, this is what I should be doing more, or this is what I should be doing less. So the suggestions can be about my content or my videos, or maybe you want a specific video from me. let's see how it goes, And if you like this video and you found it helpful, please like this video so I can keep making this content and keep helping you guys. And don't forget to share this video with your friends if also they don't know how to do it. So you can be like, that's how I learned it. Or, okay, for one time you can just show them how to do it. But for the second person who's asking you, oh, I also don't know how to make it private, you should be sending my video link. And that's going to help me out creating more so I can help you more so you can get the credits. But time to time share my link too. So thank you for watching one more time. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel. I know you already did, just in case saying if you didn't, you should hit that button. It's easier than protecting your tweets. So see you guys in the next video. Bye bye.